New California traffic laws for 2026 you ought to know. Here are the top ones to be aware of. Makes it an infraction with a fine of $1,000 to manufacture a product or device that obscures or is intended to obscure or interfere with the visual or electronic reading of a license plate. This is to stop the illegal license plate covers that blocks toll charges and other criminal activity. Next, California has lowered the school zone speed limit from 25 miles per hour to 20 miles per hour beginning January 1st, 2031. In the meantime, local authorities can lower the school zone speed limit to 20 miles per hour in school zones starting now. Following, California has now increased the term of probation from 2 years to between 3 and 5 years for a person convicted of vehicular manslaughter or gross vehicular manslaughter while intoxicated. Please don't drink and drive. Starting 2026, Californians may request a duplicate driver's license from the DMV after they have changed their address. Prior, the law only allowed duplicate licenses to cases where the license is lost, destroyed, mutilated, or if a new true full name is required. Lastly, the newly enacted CARS Act, effective October 1st, 2026, will prohibit a dealer from misrepresenting various aspects of a vehicle sale. This includes the vehicle's total cost and financing terms. In addition, it will also require a dealer to provide customers a 3-day right to cancel the purchase or lease of a vehicle under $50,000. If you enjoyed our video, we would greatly appreciate a subscribe and like. Stay up to date on road safety, traffic laws, and getting your DMV license with Bay Area Driving Academy, offering world-class driver training. Thank you for watching, and wishing you safe travels.